Hello, this is CBI broadcasting from the Airtec in Frankfurt. Airtec is the fair on supply chain to the aerospace demanding market. Today I have an interview with Mr. Rumi Mois from R&D Precision Export from Karachi in Pakistan, and I was just interested in his view on the aerospace market. Mr. Mois, what is the interest of your company in aerospace?
Aerospace is a very interesting field to be in because of the present market situation. There are like 30,000 aircrafts that have to be built in the next 20 years, and we would like to have a piece of that pie.
Okay. In this fair I see a lot of interesting companies, but how did you prepare for this fair?
We've noticed that the B2B platform for matchmaking is one of the most effective ways of being in this fair to be able to get to the right customers. And I think they've really upgraded and done a good job of their B2B matchmaking.
Okay.
So I think for the preparation, that was one of the things that we did research at least 3 months prior to coming here, and it has paid off.
Okay. What do you see in this high demanding market for opportunities for your company?
This is an opportunity for us to restructure our thoughts and see how we are best positioned in the supply chain of the aerospace industry.
Okay, interesting. So far, how did you experience the fair so far? We are now on the third days of this fair, so you had a lot of meetings I saw. You was very busy, so I assume you will be very successful. But what is your overall experience on the fair so far? You are here also for the third time, so you have a good view on this fair.
The overall thing is that I think CBI has really helped us prepare for this event, and I think that the guidelines given by Peter and Mr. Imtiaz have been very useful in right from the preparation to the results that we've seen in the last 2 days, and we are thankful for this guidance and professional support that we have.
Okay. Yeah, I just touched one of your, almost say, baby's products, and it looks for me very complex. You have any, let's say, special capacity on machining which fits to the aerospace?
Certainly, this part that you have, this is a combination of turning and milling, and some of the investments that we've made in the last few years have really prepared us for being able to display and showcase items like these, and with the guidelines we've been receiving from CBI, I think coupled with the capabilities that we've put in our company, this is the result that you have in your hand right now.
Okay. Now I have read articles about people going to the fair, and when they come back to the fair, they have to do a follow-up, and a lot of companies I read in articles don't do a good follow-up, meaning the result will be very less. How are you going to organize your follow-up?
We've already started the follow-up preparations by keeping the communication continued with the people who we've met, and we are arranging for not only receiving emails from them, but to call them, and we are planning to visit the most interesting meetings that we've had, and we've got a very good response for face-to-face meetings.
Okay, I wish you a lot of success. We greet you from the Airtec fair in Frankfurt. Thank you for your interest in CBI. Thank you.